Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 12 Plus and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system, and here we've got reset options, so let's enter. And as you can see on the second position, we've got a reset app preferences option, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you what it will reset, so it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions and for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So if you are really ready to do it, just tap on Reset App. And actually, that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.